Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide cells in Google Sheets. So first, simply understand that you cannot hide a simple cell. You can hide a column or a row. So in order to hide a column, right click on its header and click on Hide Column. Now the column is hidden and the cells within it as well. If you want to hide a row, just right click header of the row and click on Hide Row. Now the row is hidden, and you can also hide multiple rows or columns of cells if you want. Just select them all. Just click on the first one, then hold Shift and click on the last one. And everything between will be selected, then just right click and click on Hide Rows. If you want to bring it back, just simply click on these arrows right here and you can expand it like so. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.